another episode.
G'day.
We've just left the Hann River this morning. Lovely camp there. I didn't want to leave. It was such a good spot.
Yep. So you would have probably seen that in the last episode. Moving on to the next destination, we're heading to Questro Station to sample some of their world famous scones.
See what the fuss is all about.
And have some smoko there, and then make our way to the Pentecost River. We're going to look at the free camp there, see if we can find a spot that's suitable. If we can't, we've still got a bit of time up our sleeve. We may just punch it on into Questro and spend an extra night there to do what we've got to do in there. But we'll be crossing the Pentecost River today, so we're looking forward to getting some footage of that to show you all. And yeah, some of these world famous scones. So we'll show you the scones and a little bit around at Ellenborough when we get there, on the way in. And we'll definitely be showing you crossing the Pentecost River.
And then, yeah, a few adventures in Questro.
Yeah, so we've got a few walks in that plan that we're going to do. And hopefully, I'm not sure, they do say that you can have fire pits there on the wiki camp, so hopefully we can do another couple little cook-ups for you as well. But
See you there.
We'll see you there.
How cool was that? Maybe we take that. Oh, no, I don't know. You just got to go in it, I think.
You just go steady.
Yeah. Bit of a yucky drop off there.
Bottom out there.
This is the Gibb River. What the names of the roads named after? What the names? I've been speaking long.
The river that the road's named after. We had this earmarked as a camp, but we did read that there was a dead cow in the river, stinking it up, so it wasn't much good for swimming.
A lot more water than last time we were here.
Yeah, it was just trickling over.
Yeah, we camped up there on your right. And the first time we camped on that side of the river.
Yeah. We were down a little bit, but when we get back, probably where that meeting is.
Yeah.
There should be a little, like a day parking, day use area up here on the right, I think.
Track here, we're going to have a look.
Okay, we're just heading into Questro Station. It's only 5 k's off the main road. We're going to go see what these scones are all about.
Go have some scones.
Scones to
Have a scone and a cup of tea.
Well, we didn't come in here last time with the boys, yeah, and Big was quite keen to come in, so we're going to come and have a look, and yeah, we'll just see what happens.
Yeah, we'll do a scone compare.
Yeah. See if they're better than your pumpkin scones.
Yeah.
I know, we'll show you around when we get there. Like that's where you park your beans. Rightio, just arriving at the Ellenborough homestead now. That green grass is a sight for sore eyes.
More parking space over here.
I love all their little signs all the way in. Lovely. Find ourselves a park and go see if these Scones are as good as everyone says.
Yep. Righty, going in. Ellenbray, we'll go trial some scones, bit of morning tea, late breakfast. We got on the road a bit early this morning, so yeah, a bit peckish. We'll see how we go. Nice, beautiful grassy lands. Unreal. Oh, that's right, they do the bush baths here as well. Yeah. A couple of slushy machines.
What do you feel like?
I don't know.
Rightio, just having a look around out the back. They must get some people here with all these tables. Got the old bull catcher.
Alright, I'll leave you because you need to guard that. And I was going to tell you from the birds, but it's obviously from the sweet.
Yeah, it definitely is a lovely little green oasis after all the dust. Thank you.
No problem. Oh, now I've got 2 on 1. A couple of pots of sweet goodness.
Oh, yum. Thank you so much.
Delicious.
Thanks. Look at the size of them. Nice and fluffy.
Yeah, beautiful. Now, the argument.
The argument?
Jam or cream first?
Jam.
What do you do?
Jam.
Jam. Oh, lucky.
Very good. We nearly weren't friends.
Everyone, we're nearly leaving on bad terms.
What kind of a monster would do
I
it
know,
the other way
a lot of
around?
people do,
Oh my god. Now I'm going to put this down and dig in.
Alrighty, what's the consensus on the scones?
I'm still licking my lips.
Pretty good.
Beautiful.
They were good.
Well, it's
Worth-
worth the drive in on.
Worth the stop. Bit
They're
of late
lovely,
brekkie
very lovely
smoko.
people.
Keeps us nourished for the rest of the journey. I think we've got another 100 k's or something to the Pentecost, and the dirt road will be finishing then. So
Enjoy it while we can.
yeah, we'll keep on trekking down the road.
River.
Yep, just crossed the Durack River, one of the big major rivers.
She was a bit bumpy. Yeah, we're just going to pull up at this little truck parking bay because me and Chris have to check their aerial. It's rattling a bit loose on all the corrugation, so we'll come and check ours while we're at it because we've lost ours before. Go to the other side. We have lost ours before, so it's probably a good idea to check it. not too far from the Pentecost now.
Beautiful Cockburn Ranges in the background there.
They're just stunning. Safely across the mighty Pentecost. Hopefully got some good drone footage in that there. And we're gonna go into El Questro because there wasn't really any other places to stay on the Pentecost.
She was pretty chock-a-block, which you'd expect.
We might get a
there's
photo
not a lot of
on our way
spots.
out.
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks buddy. Yeah, so I've already booked a site. We booked 4 nights here at El Questro, so we've got plenty of time to do all the gorges and that in here. Pretty excited to do that big day hike, the El Questro Gorge hike. It's probably our favourite hike when we were here last time. So yeah, keen to get in and get a site and make some lunch and have a beer. Okay, here we are, El Questro.
El Questro Station.
A beautiful oasis
Made
after all of that
famous
dusty
for the
roadwork.
movie Australia.
Yes.
A lot of Australia was shot here, between here and Diggers Rest Station. A lot of the high-end crew stayed here in the fancy accommodation, and then the workers stayed over at El Questro at Diggers Rest.
Like a tent city over there, didn't it? They had lots of tents and that set up for everyone. So if you ever get to Diggers Rest, they've got a lot of the photos and that up in there. Little kitchen / bar area. It's pretty cool to go have a look at. But yeah, we've got 4 nights here, so it should be good. Get all these lovely walks done.